Right, earlier on I thanked whoever donated these sunglasses to Lost Property. I'm taking back that thanks because look, they're broke. You can do that, all the screws have come out. You come with me while I go to the shop to get some new sunglasses. Bit knocked off having to buy new sunglasses actually. Those ones were okay, I don't know where the screw went. Oh well. I got a pair of Valentinos for €6, which is about £4. There's some really nice designer sunglasses in there. Some of them are a bit hideous though, the giant ones, but they had some nice ones for dead cheap and they came with a nice bag. Just going to do a video of some of the flowers round here just to show you. There are some red ones there, I can't remember what they're called, but we've got the same ones in our garden at home. There are some really nice orange ones here, I don't know what they are. And pink ones. There's some strange ones in a tree here, I don't know what they are. I'll just walk round. There are some more of them red ones that we've got in the garden. These ones are weird, they've got a certain name but I can't remember what they're called. I think it's Manuka or something, but you use them a lot in surfing. I've got some red shorts, I'll have them on later, and it's got pictures of them on there, and I've got this keyring as well, I don't know if you can see, it's got the flower on it there too. I'm sure it's a Manuka, I don't know. There's some more of it there as well, there's loads. I don't know what they're called though. I'll just walk round. There's loads of bushes and palm trees and things. The trees are gorgeous, I don't know what... There's one that looks like a giant pineapple over there. Near the entrance to the hotel as well, it's got banana trees with little brown bananas on. I'm going to go this way. So even though them really nice sunglasses that I came with that were donated by a customer that got pissed up and left them behind, they were nice, but they were a screw loose, just like most of the customers. But I got these ones, they're really cool, and they were only €6. And the designer ones, they had some really nice designer ones in there, like Dolce & Gabbana and Police, but some of them were hideous. Which is probably the fashion for today, but